Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone joining us from around the world globe. As we come together to celebrate the International Day of Medical Physics, IDMP, I'm honored to be a part of this worldwide event where we highlight the pivotal role of medical physics in modern healthcare. Today, we take a closer look at the specific needs, challenges, and progress within the field of medical physics in Indonesia, a country that, while unique in its geography and healthcare landscape, shares a common goal with the global community, advancing medical care through science and technology. Medical physics, as a field, plays a critical role in diagnosing, treating, and improving patient care through cutting-edge technologies and innovations. In Indonesia, this field has grown remarkably, addressing a diverse range of healthcare needs and contributing to the betterment of our medical infrastructure. Today, as we reflect on these developments, we not only celebrate the progress made but also acknowledge the work that still lies ahead. It is our hope that through continued collaboration and innovation, we can overcome these challenges and create an even brighter future for medical physics in Indonesia. In recent years, medical physicists in Indonesia have made significant advancements. One key achievement is the formation of a unified organization through the merger of IKAFMI and HFMBI, representing both clinical and academical physicists. Membership has grown to 800 by 2024, reflecting the growing interest in the field. Educational transformation is also evident, with programs expanding from undergraduate, professional to specialization levels. Additionally, the harmonization of academic curricula guided by AIPFMI ensures consistency and quality in medical physics education across the country. AFISMI was officially formed through the merger of IKAFMI and HFMBI during a historic congress held in Yogyakarta on October 31st, 2015. This unification brought together clinical and academic medical physics under one organization, marking a significant milestone in advancing the provision and strengthening collaboration across the field in Indonesia. Indonesia, as a vast archipelago, faces the challenge of uneven distribution of medical physicists across its many islands. While the number of medical physicists is still not evenly spread, the profession has seen steady growth year after year, helping to gradually improve access to medical physics services throughout the country. Here is the distribution of medical physicists in Indonesia. The majority are concentrated on the island of Java, particularly in Jakarta, Central Java, East Java, and West Java. As of 2024, the total number of medical physicists in the country has reached 845 members. To become a medical physicist in Indonesia, one must first obtain a bachelor's degree in physics or nuclear engineering from a university that is a member of AIPFMI, which corresponds to IQF level 6. Following this, aspiring medical physicists are required to complete a one-year training program to earn their professional degree in medical physics, equating to IQF level 7. For those looking to specialize as a medical physicist at IQF level 8, they must complete a master's program in medical physics and undergo an additional 2 years of clinical residency. These training programs are mandatory to obtain a professional license from the Minister of Health. ensuring that all practicing medical physicists in Indonesia meet the necessary qualifications and standards to provide safe and effective care. This structured pathway emphasizes the importance of rigorous education and training in developing qualified professionals in this vital field. The journey to formalizing medical physics education in Indonesia began with informal training programs from 2018 to 2021. In 2022, this evolved into a structured university-based program offered by Diponegoro University, specifically for graduates holding a Bachelor of Science degree from AIPFMI member universities. This program spans 1 year and it's divided into two main components: 6 months of in-class instruction and 6 months of clinical placement. The curriculum offers a condensed version of the International Atomic Energy Agency training course series, ensuring the participants receive comprehensive training in key areas, including radiotherapy, diagnostic radiology, and nuclear medicine. To assess the candidates' understanding and proficiency, the program includes both written and oral examination, along with portfolio submission that demonstrate their practical experience and learning outcomes. Upon successful completion of this rigorous training, graduates are awarded a certification of profession in medical physics, recognized at IQF Level 7. The certification not only enhances their professional credibility, but also strengthens the overall quality of medical physics practice in Indonesia, ultimately benefiting patient care across the nation. The training for specialist medical physicists in Indonesia began as informal training from 2016 to 2024. In 2024, this training transitioned into a formal university-based program at the University of Indonesia, designed for graduates holding a Master of Science degree from AIPFMI member universities and those with medical physics certificates. This comprehensive 2-year program consists entirely of clinical placements, providing hands-on experience. The curriculum follows the full version of the International Atomic Energy Agency's training course series and includes specialized modules in radiotherapy, diagnostic radiology, or nuclear medicine. Candidates are evaluated through written, oral, and practical examination, along with portfolio submission showcasing their clinical competencies. Upon successful completion, graduates receive a certificate of competence recognized at IQF Level 8, further elevating the standards of medical physics practice in Indonesia. The harmonization of medical physics curriculum in Indonesia began with the establishment of AIPFMI, the Indonesian Alliance of Medical Physics Educational Institution. This alliance was formed to create a cohesive and standardized approach to medical physics education across the country. Currently, AIPFMI consists of 13 members institutions. To join this alliance, educational institution must undergo a thorough review process that evaluates their curriculum, syllabus, manpower, and infrastructure. This ensures that all members adhere to the same high educational standard. The goal of this harmonization is to develop a unified curriculum that not only enhances the quality of education but also aligns with international standards. By establishing consistent educational requirements, AIPFMI aims to produce highly qualified medical physicists who can meet the diverse care needs of Indonesia, ultimately improving patient care and safety throughout the nation. We are proud to celebrate the achievements of Professor Dr. Jarwani Sujoko MS and Dr. Renat Freddy Haryanto, who have both been awarded the prestigious Fellow of the International Organization for Medical Physics Award. This recognition highlights their significant contribution to the field of medical physics and their commitment to advancing healthcare in Indonesia. Their dedication serves as an inspiration to all in the medical physics community. We are excited to highlight the achievement of several Indonesian medical physicists who have received the SEAFOMP Young Leader Award. This prestigious award is presented annually to recognize the accomplishments of young medical physicists from Southeast Asian nations while fostering their leadership potential. The award winners are announced each year, with the ceremony taking place during the closing events of SEACOMPS. This recognition not only honors their contribution but also encourages the next generation of leaders in our field. We proudly recognize Dr. Lukmanda Evan Lubis MSI FMed for receiving the prestigious P.N. Krishnamurthy Memorial Young Achiever Award in 2023. This award is presented annually at the Asia-Oceania Conference on Medical Physics to medical physicists judged by AFOMP's Awards, an honors committee. It honors early career professionals who have made exceptional contribution to medical physics research and their communities within the AFOMP region. Dr. Lubis' achievement highlights the growing impact of Indonesian medical physicists on the global stage. We are proud to announce the achievement of Dr. Khairul Anam, SSI, MSI, FMed, who was awarded the IUPAP Early Career Scientist Prize in Medical Physics in 2022. This prestigious award, presented by the International Organization for Medical Physics in collaboration with the International Union of Pure and Applied Physics, recognizes outstanding contribution by early career physicists with up to 8 years of research experience post-PhD. Dr. Anam received this honor at the International Conference on Medical Physics in Mumbai, India, held from December 6 to 9, 2023. Those are the remarkable achievements of Indonesian medical physicists from 2017 until this year. These accomplishments highlight the dedication and growth of our professionals on both regional and international stages, reflecting their significant contribution to medical physics, research, and healthcare development. These successes inspire continued progress in our field, paving the way for future milestones. One of the biggest challenges facing medical physics in Indonesia today is the sheer scale of the country. With over 17,000 islands, a population of more than 270 million, and a healthcare infrastructure that includes over 3,800 hospitals and 7,000 diagnostic X-ray devices. The demand for medical physicists in radiology is immense. Currently, there are more than 478 radiology medical physicists, but this number is far from sufficient to cover the vast and diverse needs of the country. Given these circumstances, it's currently unrealistic to enforce a mandatory presence of diagnostic medical physicists in every hospital. The current standard of having medical physicists at IQF level 7 is considered adequate for radiology services. Unlike in radiotherapy and nuclear medicine, where IQF level 8 specialized are explicitly required due to the complexity and safety concerns, there is no immediate push to raise the standard to IQF level 8 in radiology. This presents a challenge in terms of balancing the growing demand of radiology services with the available workforce, while ensuring that high standards of safety and quality are maintained across all regions. The next current challenges we face is aligning with health transformation project from the Indonesian government. While this project will significantly enhance the country's healthcare infrastructures, it also presents a major challenge: the need for a large number of trained medical physicians, particularly in radiology. Hundreds of radiology medical physicians will be required to support the operation and safety of these advanced diagnostic and therapeutic devices. However, a major hurdle remains securing adequate funding for clinical training programs for radiology medical physicians. Without sufficient resources to train the necessary personnel, it will be difficult to meet the demand created by the deployment of these new technologies. Addressing this funding gap is critical to ensuring that Indonesia's health transformation can be fully realized, with the proper expertise in place to maximize the potential of this new medical system. In closing, the journey of medical physics in Indonesia has been one of remarkable growth and progress, marked by significant achievement and exciting opportunities ahead. While challenges remain, particularly in expanding our workforce and advancing education, the collective efforts of our community, supported by ongoing government initiatives, put us on a strong path forward. Together, we can continue to elevate the standard of healthcare across the nation, ensuring that all Indonesians benefit from the latest advancements in medical technology. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue working together to shape a brighter future for medical physics.